question number 16 says, should you question an order of 0.4 milliliters Q6H for a 154-pound patient? And this is our label. And there's a lot to do here, but I want to start with the weight. So I'm going to divide by 2.2, and that gets me 70 kilograms. Next, I want to figure out the safe day range, and I'm going to match up the kilograms with the kilograms. So I'm looking for the rate that has the kilograms, and here it is. So 15 to 45 micrograms over 1 kilogram is equal to x over 70 kilograms. If I run through the proportion, then I'm going to get 1,050 to 3,150 micrograms. So this is the safe day range in micrograms. Okay, so we're still not ready to compare the 0.4 mLs yet because, well, our range is in micrograms, so it's in powdered form, and we need to convert it to liquid form. And then also our time frames don't match up because this is a day range and this is a dose order. So next I'm going to convert my range into liquid form, into milliliters, and I do this using the solution strength. So I find my solution strength, 40 milligrams over 25 ml is equal to 1,050 to 3,150 micrograms. And I need to convert the 40 to 40,000 micrograms. And then I can solve this. So 25 times 1050 divided by 40,000, and if I round that to the nearest tenth, then that's going to be 0.7, and then 25 times 3,150 divided by 40,000. And if I round that to the nearest tenth, it'll be 2.0. So this is the safe day range in milliliters. So at this part we really have two different options because we have a day range but a dose order. So we can either convert the dose order to a day order and then compare, or we can convert the day order, or I should say the day range, to a dose range and compare that with the 0.4. And I'll show both ways, but you only need to do one. So I'm going to take the 0.4 milliliters, which is Q6H, and I'm going to multiply it by 4 because Q6H means 4 doses. And that equals 1.6 mLs. So this is 1.6 mLs for a day. So I can compare the 1.6 mLs with the 0.7 to 2.0, and that is within range. So I have to be careful about how they phrase the question. It says, should you question? And no, I'm not going to question the order because it is within range. So that's how I would do it. The alternate way is to take the day range, or the 0.7 to 2.0, and change that to a dose range. So divide these by 4. Again, that's from the Q6H. And if you divide those by 4, then you're going to get 0.175 to 0.5 mLs. And this would be the safe dose range in milliliters. And then you would compare the 0.4 milliliters with this range, and that is also within that range. And it should be consistent. So this would also be no, because it's within range. So just to recap, if you're going with the day, you want to compare 1.6 mLs to 0.7 to 2.0 mLs. And if you're doing the dose, you want to compare 0.4 mLs to the 0.175 to 0.5 mLs. And again, both of these are within the range, and they should be consistent.